Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, our apple tree, in the other video, I have shown the backyard report. So, we had a lot of apples, and I made it into applesauce. So, these are the applesauce I made, something like 10 bottles or 15 bottles of applesauce. And it will be quite a task to finish them. So I'm thinking I make a no-bake cheesecake. So now we will prepare some of the crumble, the cookie crumbles. This is my homemade butter cookie. They are so good. It's kind of illegal to just criminal to just blend it. So we will blend it. Where is it? Yes, it is here. Sorry for the noise. Put some more. We can put a couple more pieces. They are so good. I feel bad to just blend it, but blend it is also a good way to enjoy it. That should be good. Now I will take out my yogurt, Greek yogurt or drained yogurt. Here, my drained yogurt. Yes. So I drain the yogurt, I make yogurt, and then I drain them into such a stage. This is overnight and still a little bit softer, and it's actually quite good to be softer. So these I put them all together, and there are still water coming out. Perfect. We will put into a little bowl to. Okay, so here we have the yogurt, drained yogurt, and we blend it. It's kind of hard because it's becoming hard. The drier, the more stronger taste, or the drier the texture is better. But it's not very easy to blend. That is the dry. Okay, the drier, the better. Ooh, this is so dry. So condensed. Maybe I should put into a bowl. Why not? Into my bowl. See, and I want to make it smooth. It is. It tastes better when it is smooth. I should be saying sorry to my family. They do not even dare to make any noise. They went outside the kitchen for you, so that they do not. Okay, this is easier. that's so condensed. Voila. 我们几点去？几点？兰州
都可以，
好的，
7、8点都可以。
好的。This does not look that good, but it's okay. Don't make too much, you will not stop eating, and it's not healthy if you eat too much. Nothing is healthy if you overeat. N'est-ce pas? Okay, now we put the cookie crumble. And now we put the applesauce. You know, the applesauce is quite sour because I use our lemon juice. I made lemon juice. So last time we had a lot of lemon, so I made into juice, cooked it, and became lemon juice. You will see, not lemon juice, lemon syrup. So this is lemon juice and sugar, so that I can preserve it. Otherwise, the lemon will be wasted if I cannot finish them. So I made lemon and syrup. Sugar to lemon juice, 1:1 sea salt, vanilla extract. Okay, let me just be quiet. Okay, so this one came out of refrigerator. I want something a little bit warmer. Open it up. Yes, open it. Applesauce, applesauce, applesauce. I should be better in pouring it. So here are the applesauce. Let it go down. Oh, very sour. Very, very lemony. A little bit more doesn't hurt. Should pour from the side. I should pour from the side. Let's see. Yeah, we pour from this side, from this side, from this side. It's better to put into a bottle, actually. Anyway, that's it. And then put another layer of cookie crumble. Okay. That will be quite sour and refreshing. I like it. And we can finish with the cream. I have trouble to make it right. I think last time what I did is something like it. Even if it does not look that good, it tastes good. It's a little bit too condensed, so not easy to do. Too condensed, not easy to do. If it is watery, it's not as delicious. You get the idea. Let's see if I can make it a little bit better. This one is a little bit better. You want to cover it up, and I did cover it up. I want to cover it up, and I did cover it up. Good, good. We cover it up. Let's see this one. So when you are going back to school, you get a new job, or your boss is not nice to you, make applesauce cheesecake. It's relatively relaxing. And if you have a bad boss, come to watch my video. And if you are a bad boss, come to me. I will fix you by my applesauce cheesecake. So the very last, we still have some of this cookie crumble, a little bit here and there. And it's pretty and fun. Then cover it up, put in refrigerator for a couple of days, and that is it. Cover it up. Bon appetit. This is not marketable. This is not as pretty as you sell in the market. You sell in the delicate store, but it's very delicious. Let me see if I still have some. Let me see. I do. And this one is blackberry lemon curd. This one. So you can see it starts the same, and it goes down a little bit because the cookie absorb a little bit of the crumb. That is it. Does not look that beautiful, but it's quite delicious. Okay, I need to show you. Excuse me for talking while eating. Put this one aside. You remember the other time I made apple caramel, so I put this caramel into the bottle, and then This one is by. This one I put caramel like that when I make it. Now it's just too much sweetness. Anyway, you can drop a little bit drop of it. Also, bon appetit. Do 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 do. My turn. Heavenly.